Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check TPM2. 0 and secure boot and firmware. Confirm at least 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Back up your files now. Use file history, cloud, or an external drive. Once done, download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or use the Media Creation tool to make a USB installer. This gets you started immediately. Make sure to note your Microsoft account and product key if needed, because you will sign in during setup and may need activation details. You choose either the in-place path or USB media. The Installation Assistant runs inside Windows and keeps apps and files. If you prefer a clean start, reboot and boot from the USB installer. Enter UEFI settings, set USB first, and keep secure boot on. Once booted, follow on-screen prompts. Accept license, pick Upgrade versus Custom Clean Install, and select the target drive. Make sure to disconnect non-essential peripherals to avoid driver confusion. The installer will copy files, install features, and reboot. You complete the out-of-box experience by signing in, choosing privacy settings, and opting into OneDrive if desired. Once done, run Windows Update and install OEM drivers from the manufacturer's site. Check Device Manager for missing drivers. Make sure to activate Windows and confirm settings are correct. If something goes wrong, use Settings System Recovery to roll back to the previous OS or perform a reset. Create a recovery USB beforehand. One key tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers or updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.